So with the line cross tool, it's as simple as drawing a line on the video frame near the entrance in this case, and we'll immediately tell you how many people cross that line in either direction. Now I can take that very same line and I can draw it over here near the aisle and show you how many people went into that aisle. And because we're tracking people through time and space all the time, I can take that very same line, and if I'm interested in flow of traffic through the store just near the entrance, we can draw it here and we can tell you that 175 people came in and turned right, and 99 people turned left during the time frame that I've selected. You can also ask questions not just about, today going forward, but also the past. So let me just show you how we do that. I can go back and I can select a date. I'll go back one day even. I could go back multiple days. We'll go back to 11 a.m. And let's draw our line near the entrance because there's something else I'd like to show just regarding how we calculate conversion rate. So here we have a number of people coming in on the timeline. You'll see that the orange represents, in this case, the orange represents people leaving and the blue represents people coming in. And there's a lot of blue dots here. So I can click on the next line cross, and this is going to take me to each person that crosses that line into the store. What's really unique about this is that most companies out there, AI vendors, will not give you this level of transparency to their AI. Typically, they'll just give you a number and you're kind of expected to take it as face value. Whereas with Solink, we really provide the transparency that you need to believe in the data that's driving your conversion rate calculations, your average revenue per customer calculations, and so on and so forth. So here you see as people walk through the frame and they go out and they come in these doors, I should have a person coming in very shortly. And then in just a moment, I'll have another person coming in very shortly. Every time a person walks in, we've detected them crossing the line. Now, we take this same concept of the same data, I should say, of foot traffic coming into the store. And because Solink also has transactional data, we can very quickly pair it with the different point of sale systems and tell you during the time frame selected what your approximate of occupancy was, and based on the foot traffic coming into the store, what your conversion rate and average revenue per customer approximately were during that same time.